political science. We will study or we will learn about political science. There is a new lesson from the part political science. Political science. Political science is a part of social science, and it is believed that the Greeks only developed political science as a separate branch of social studies. It is believed that Greek people developed or encouraged political science as a separate branch of social studies. That is the reality. As a separate branch of social studies. It is the Greek people. There is the real speciality of political science as a branch of knowledge. That means, in the beginning, other people like Babylonians, Babylonians and Italians tried their level best to study about which were political science. But they did not succeed in developing political science as a separate branch. They did not succeed in developing political science as a separate branch of knowledge. They did not succeed in developing political science as a separate branch of knowledge. That was their specialty. And Greek philosophers were there. Socrates. Socrates was a famous Greek philosopher. Socrates was a Greek philosopher. Socrates. What Socrates did, that we have to think. What Socrates did, that we have to study. Socrates did not write any books of his own. Socrates. He did not write any books. But he asked some questions to the people. Socrates asked questions to the people. And Socrates gave answer to those questions. In that way only, Socrates solved the problems of the people. Socrates. In such a way, Socrates solved the problems of the people. And his student was known as Plato. Plato was his student. Plato. What was there with Plato that we have to think? Plato. Plato was his student. Plato was a political thinker also. Plato. He was a political thinker. He wrote one book known as Republic. He wrote one book known as The Republic. The famous book Republic was written by Plato. In the book The Republic, Plato clearly told about, or Plato clearly described, which one? Plato clearly described, what he described? everything about which one? Political science. He started one institution also. He started one institution also known as Academy. Academy was the institution, or Academy was the education institution which was started by Plato. So it was Plato who provided a clear explanation to what? It was Plato who provided a clear explanation to what? To political science. His student was known as Aristotle. His student was known as Aristotle. His student was known as Aristotle. His student's name was known as Aristotle. Aristotle was his student. Then what happened? Aristotle is known as the father of political science. Aristotle is known as the father of political science. Aristotle is known by the name father of political science. Aristotle is the father of political science. He clearly studied or analyzed political science. He clearly studied or analyzed political science. That is the reality. He studied and analyzed political science. He wrote one book on The Politics. He wrote one book on The Politics. In the book The Politics, Aristotle clearly described or explained about which one? He described or explained about political science. In the famous book The Politics, Aristotle clearly described or explained about which one? Explained about political science. So, Aristotle is known as, or Aristotle has been known as the father of political science. Aristotle was a multi-talented personality. Aristotle had so many abilities of his own. Aristotle had so many abilities of his own. So, Aristotle has been known as, or Aristotle is known by the name the father of political science. Aristotle is the father of political science. That is another reality or speciality. Once more I will tell. See, political science. This is an important lesson from the part civics or political science. Then what is the Greek people or political science is a part of social studies. Political science. Political science is a part of social studies. What is studying in political science? Political science is studying about the day-to-day activities of the government or the state. That is the specialty. Then the Greek people are known as the people who developed political science as a separate branch. Greek people. There was a Greek people who developed political science as a separate branch. Greek people. They developed political science as a separate branch of knowledge. Greek people. Then what is that? Before the Greek people, Italian people, Babylonians, etc., studied about the political science, but they did not develop political science as a separate branch of knowledge. It was the Greek people who are known as the people who developed political science. It was the Greek people who developed political science. The Greek people only developed political science. Then what is the Socrates was a Greek philosopher. Socrates was a Greek philosopher. Socrates did not write any book. That was speciality of Socrates. Socrates, whatever may be the case, did not record any books. Socrates. He did not record any books. Then what happened there? Socrates asked some questions to the people. Socrates. And Socrates only provided the answer to those questions. Socrates asked some questions to the people, and Socrates only provided the answer to those questions. That was a specialty. So Socrates was a great political and social thinker of Greece. Then Plato was a student of Socrates. Socrates' student was known as Plato. Plato was a great political thinker and he was a writer also. Plato. He was a writer also. Then he wrote one book known as Republic. The famous book Republic was written by him.
Not seeing the video, sir.
Hello?
Sir, video is not straight, sir.
Video? I can't hear what you are telling.
Video is not straight, sir.
Video?
Sir, video is not straight, sir.
Not last, this is new lesson going. Last date. Hello?
Sir, video is not straight, sir. Straight.
Video lost. Who is speaking? Hello? 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 Hello, Manoj?
Sir, video is ulta, sir. Not correct.
Video is ulta, not ulta, it is correct now.
In video is seeing the ulta.
What is the problem with the video? Tell me. You cannot read the video?
Yes, sir. That is ulta, sir, because not read.
Ulta means you cannot read the writings. Manoj. See. Greek activities. Listen here. It was the Greek people. It was the Greek people. It was the Greek people who made political science. It was the Greek people who made political science as a separate branch of knowledge. Socrates was a Greek philosopher. Socrates was a Greek philosopher. And Socrates asked some questions to people. Socrates. And Plato was there. Plato was the student of Socrates. So Plato wrote one book known as Republic. He started one institution known as Academy. Then Plato's student was Aristotle. Aristotle is known as father of political science. He wrote one book known as The Politics. In the book, The Politics, what is that? In the book, The Politics. In the book, The Politics, Aristotle analyzed about political science. In the book, The Politics, Aristotle analyzed about political science. So what I told you, it was the Greek people who made political science a separate branch of knowledge. Greek people. Then Babylonians and Italians studied about political science, but they did not develop it as a particular branch of knowledge. Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, etc. were the Greek philosophers. They developed political science as a particular branch of knowledge. Aristotle is known as the father of political science. Aristotle is the father of political science. Aristotle. Then he wrote one book known as The Politics. In this book, he analyzed clearly about which one? In this book, he analyzed clearly about political science. We have to know about importance of the study of political science. We should learn, or we have to understand what are the importance of the study of political science. How many importance are there, or what are the importance of the study of political science we have to study. First of all, we should learn about origin. To know about origin and growth of the state, what we have to learn? To know about origin and growth of the state. We should learn or we have to study about political science to know about origin and growth of the state. We should learn about political science, origin and growth of the state. To know about the origin and growth of the state, we should know about political science. Then, different forms of government is there. There are different forms of government. Democracy is there. Different forms of governments are there. Democracy is there. First one. Monarchy is there. Monarchy. Democracy is there and monarchy is there. Monarchy means rule of the king. Democracy means rule of the people. Oligarchy is there. Means rule of a group of people. Oligarchy. And military rule is there. Military rule. To know about different forms of government, what is that? To know or to understand about different forms of government, what is that? To know or understand about different forms of government, what we want? We should learn or we have to study political science. To know about different forms of government, we have to know or study about political science. That is another speciality of the study of political science. Then, organs of the government, organs. There are so many organs for the government. Government is having so many organs. So many organs are there for the government. Organs. Legislature, executive and judiciary etc. are the organs of the government. Legislature, executive and judiciary etc. are the organs of the government. Legislature, executive and judiciary are the organs of the government. What is there with these organs? These organs are having their own speciality. These organs. Organs of the governments are there. There are so many organs for the government. Legislature is the legislature. Legislature is the organ in which legislature. Legislature is the organ in which all the laws are made. All the rules and regulations are made in legislature. The study of political science is explaining. The study of political science is explaining about organs of the legislature, executive, ministry. To know about which one? To know about executive, knowledge of political science is good. Judiciary, court of Adalat is known as judiciary. Nyayasthan, Nyayalaya or Adalat is known as judiciary. To know about which one? To know about the organs of the government, what is that? To know about the organs of the government, what we want? To know about the organs of the government, we want which one? We want political science. political knowledge of the people, or in order to develop political consciousness among the people, what we want? In order to develop political consciousness among the people, what we want? We want the knowledge or study of political science. There is another importance or speciality of political science. This is another importance or speciality of the study of political science. Then, to know the problems of the people. In order to know, in order to understand the problems of the people, the study of political science is really helpful to know the problems of the people. People do have so many problems. In order to know the problems of the people, the study of political science is really helpful. What is the meaning of this one? Rulers are there, rulers, and civil servants are there, officers. Rulers and civil servants, what they can do? Rulers and civil servants can understand about the problems of the people. Rulers and civil servants, what they can do? Rulers and civil servants can understand about the problems of the people. Rulers and civil servants can really understand the problems of the people through the study of political science. People do have so many problems. People do have so many problems. Then what is that? People do have so many problems. Then what is that? The study of political science. The study of political science will help the people to know about which one. The study of political science will help the people to know about the problems of the people. By studying political science, rulers can clearly understand about political science. That is another speciality of political science. Then so many institutions are there. So many institutions are there. So many institutions are there. In a country there are so many institutions. What is the meaning of that word? So many institutions are there in a country. So many institutions are there. Then what is the meaning of those things? So many institutions are there in a country. Government is there. Other associations and organizations are there. To know about those institutions and organizations, the study of political science is really helpful. Then different ideologies are there. There are so many, or there are different ideologies. So many ideologies are there, or different ideologies are there. Different. So many or different ideologies are there. Communism is an ideology. Socialism is an ideology. Capitalism is an ideology. To know about these ideologies, what is that? To know about these ideologies, the study of political science is really helpful to us. Then, international institutions. International institutions are there. UNO is an international institution. United Nations Organization is an international institution. SARC is another international institution. SARC. Then ASEAN is another institution. Non-alignment movement is another institution. That means there are so many institutions in different parts of the world. So many are there. Not only in India, in different parts of the world, so many institutions are there. To know about those institutions, what is that? To know or to study about those institutions, which one is helpful? To know or to study about those institutions, the knowledge of political science is really helpful. Once more I will tell you children, political science. What are the importance of study of political science? How many importance are there, or what are the importance of the study of political science? What are the importance of studying political science? In order to know the origin and growth of the state, in order to know the origin and development of the state, which one we want? We want the study of political science. Forms of government. Different types of governments are there. Different types of or various types of governments are there. Different types of or various kinds of governments are there. In order to know about different types of or in order to know about various kinds of government, we should know political science. In order to know about different types of or various kinds of government, we want the study or knowledge of political science. Then, organs of the government, legislature, executive and judiciary, etc. are the organs of the government. Legislature, executive and judiciary, etc. are the organs of the government. To know about the organs of the government, we have to know about political science. In order to develop political knowledge or in order to develop political consciousness among the people, what do you want? In order to develop political consciousness among the people, we want the knowledge of political science. Problems of the people. What is the meaning? Problems of the people. What is the meaning of this one? People have so many problems. Samasya. Rulers are solving the problems of the people. In order to solve the problems of the people, what we have to do? In order to solve the problems of the people, rulers, those who are ruling the country, should know political science. Institutions. There are so many organizations, associations, etc. in a state or in a country. Then what is that? In such a situation, what will be there? In such a situation, knowledge of political science is helpful to know about associations. Ideologies. What is that? Different ideologies are there. Different. Communism, socialism, democracy, capitalism, Gandhian socialism, etc. are ideologies. To know about the ideologies, what is that? To know about the ideologies, we have to know about political science. International institutions. There are so many associations in the world. So many are there. In order to know about those associations, what should be there? In order to know about those associations, we have to know about political science. Dear children, I think you are able to follow today's video. Thank you.